Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Karen and I make fashion and lifestyle videos here on my channel. So definitely consider hitting subscribe for more videos like these. I am so excited to be partnering with FabFitFun on today's video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys their new summer box that I just got in. I'm going to share all the products that I got in my box. But if you're not aware what FabFitFun is, it is a subscription service. So each season they come out with a new box, so 4 times a year. And this box is $49.99 every season, and I do have a coupon code for you guys for $10 off, which makes it $39.99. Each box is valued at over $200, which is an insane deal. It's kind of like a birthday present like every season, or like Christmas every single season. So it's really fun, and I got last season's box and it was so good, so I can't wait to share with you guys this one. So inside, this is what it looks like when you first open it up. So in each box it has like fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle items in, so you get like a good mix of everything. And how cute is this box? I mean, totally my aesthetic. So first up, they have the FabFitFun magazine, which I will get to in a couple minutes, but you get the magazine. Comes with a couple more inserts, and I already took a peek inside and it is so good, you guys. I can't wait to share. So here's a little overview of everything I'm gonna be pulling from. So FabFitFun now lets you customize most of the products in your box, which is really cool. Let's get started with the first item that comes in every single box, and this is by Grayson Stella. It's called Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. So let's open this baby up. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So it looks like you could mist 4 to 5 sprays onto your face with eyes closed before or after makeup. So I already have my makeup done, so I'm gonna apply this as like a little setting spray. Oh my gosh, it feels so cooling and like refreshing on my face. So in the magazine, there's in the front, it gives a little overview on all the different products that are in each like different box. Like the products that are in every box and some that you could like select from. So let's see. So this retails for $29.95, which is amazing. So with my coupon code LACE, you could get $10 off your box. So that makes it $39.95. For just $10 more, you're getting everything else in this box, which is amazing. Next up, let's go with this clay mask. It's Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I've never had anything like this. So this mask says it will boost hydration and like kind of rejuvenate dull looking skin. So it looks really cool. As I said, I've never had anything like it. It says it's made in Australia and it looks really neat. It refines, brightens, illuminates, and nurtures. And I love a good mask, especially in summer. You know, we're outside a lot and you just want to like kind of at nighttime rejuvenate our skin. And this, I feel like it's going to be really perfect. Another thing that I'm excited for, because I've never had anything like a foot mask before. And this is by the brand Wish. And it's a coconut milk and verbena exfoliating foot mask. I'm obviously not gonna put it on my foot right now, but we're gonna try it because I feel like we're just gonna see like how hydrating it is. So we're gonna put some on the back of my hand. Oh, so it's like kind of clear gel-like consistency. So, oh my gosh, it smells so nice. It smells like coconut, but not like cheap coconut or anything, because I normally don't like coconut smells because they tend to smell fake. This is not. This smells so nice and summery. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to put that actually like on my feet tonight. Because I use ideally at bedtime, apply liberally to a desired area and let dry. Go to bed and awake with softer feet. Rinse after 8 to 12 hours. So it's obviously the best to put this on at night, sleep with it, rinse it off in the morning. So it is like a gel consistency. I thought for some reason this was gonna be like a cream, but I was thinking like foot cream, but this is an exfoliating mask. Of course, for summer, we show our feet in sandals and stuff. We don't want dry looking feet and like dead skin on it. I know that sounds like gross, but this is gonna help with that. The next thing in my box, we have these Invisibobble hair ties. And I love the Invisibobble hair ties. And I got the clear and like the nude color. I love these because they are so great for not like making your hair all creasy. And what's great about these too, if you want to do a really good messy bun, the trick to those sometimes is having the right hair tie. And for me, I always find my messy buns look so good when I have these Invisibobbles in my hair. So it's great. I got another pack, and these are valued at $16 retail. You get 6 of them. Okay, I want to talk about a really fun lifestyle product, and how cute is this packaging? So here is, in this little pink drawstring bag, is the silicone wine glasses. And a set of 2. Let's open these up. How darling are these wine glasses? These are so cute. And These are great because they're silicone, so they're not obviously gonna break on you if you want to like travel or whatever with them and take them out on a picnic. And these would be so cute, like summer barbecue. Oh my goodness, so cute. So they're like the perfect shade of blush pink wine cups. Okay, love these, and these are adorable. These are valued at $25 for this set, which is incredible. So love, love, love these. Okay, the product that I'm probably most excited to try out is this brand that I've been really like hearing so much about and hearing amazing things. And the value of these next two products, if you've never heard of it, it's the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and like the Brazilian Foreplay. It's called Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. Both of these combined are valued at $45. So if you get this box for only $39.99 with the code LACE, you save $5 on this and then get everything else pretty much for free if you want to think of it that way. So you get to try these out, save $5 on these, and then get everything else, which is so cool. I've been wanting to try this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream for so long now that I'm excited that this is in this box and I actually get to try it out. I'm gonna smell it because I've never like tested this out or anything. I've just heard so many people rave about this body cream. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm gonna test them out on the back of my hand, and it is so nice and rich, but without being like greasy feeling. The shower cream, they say that this is a like cream gel consistency, and it's not gonna like strip your skin from its natural oils, which is really great. And then with this cream right here, it smells incredible. Like I now like cannot wait to like use this all over my body. So it says that one of the benefits in here, because it kind of gives a little overview on the beauty products, and it's kind of like a really fun magazine to check everything out and give a lot of beauty tips and advice. So this says it may help stimulate circulation, boost energy, and smooth skin. Next up is this Ico London. This is the I Do Liquid Eyeliner, Line and Enhance in black. So this retails for $22, and it looks like such a nice tip. Like it's not like super bendy, because sometimes the super bendy ones could like make it really hard to apply the eyeliner, and this is it's waterproof. So for summer, we all need some waterproof eye makeup. We don't want it running down our face when we're like swimming or at any kind of party or just in the humidity and the heat. You want it to stay put, and this, I can't wait to try this one out. Okay, this looks so fun and so girly, this next item. This is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks. And I cannot wait to try these. I selected these for my box. So you get 5 face masks in here. It feels really nice. It says that it has 24 karat gold in here. That's really cool. And Damask Rose Extract. Very luxurious. They're valued at $160. Oh my gosh. Wait. $160. That's insane. That's like really insane. I didn't know that I got such a high, this is like so high value. Probably because of the 24 karat gold in here. That is amazing. So $160 in this face mask for like $40. And then you get everything else, the Bum Bum Cream. Then you get like the face mist and the eyeliner and invisible, like everything. That's just like blowing my mind at how amazing of a value this is. Okay, I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna feel so luxurious putting this mask on. And the last product in my box is the Intelligent Nutrients Plant Stem Cell Science Refining Micro Polish. So this is really neat because it's going to exfoliate your skin. So what's great about this is it has jojoba beads in it, so it's really good for your skin to exfoliate with. It's going to make your skin just feel a lot more fresh and smooth in the summer, which we all want. And in the summer, I feel like I wear less makeup, so this will be nice to maintain the glowiness of my skin, and I can't wait. So, and it's a micro polish, so it's super fine. And it's for all skin types, especially oily and dry. So I think that would be nice because if you have, whether you have oily skin or drier skin, usually with drier skin, I'm like hesitant with exfoliators too much just because it could obviously tend to dry out your skin because you don't want to be too abrasive. But being that the jojoba beads are so microfine, I really can't wait to test this out. Okay, I just added everything up that is in my FabFitFun box. And my box was valued, I just added everything up, and it's valued at over $425. So if you're interested in checking out the FabFitFun box, as I said, it's a seasonal subscription box, and you get to select most of the items in your box. They now ship to the UK, and I have a $10 off coupon code off your first box, which makes it only $40. So the box's value start at $200 and then go up. So mine was $425. So definitely give it a try. You get to try out all new kinds of products. Great to give as a gift, to try out new products for yourself and new brands. So my code will be listed right here and in the description box below for you guys. It's code LACE for $10 off your first box. Otherwise, all boxes are at $49.95. So let me know in the comment section below if you've ever tried FabFitFun or if you're gonna try it out with me. And give this video a like if you enjoyed it and you stayed till the end. And I think that's gonna be it for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next one very soon. Bye. So baby